Janira, Angie, and Mary, they were close. Hello, Mary. Just were in a mouse won the ballot yesterday. Angie, really? How many was that? Mary, 30 million with what they do if they won the ballot. Angie, I went travel around the world with my family and friends. Janira, if you can go in world, where you go? Angie, let me so. I went glued to Paris. I heard that Ireland speak or amazing. What about you? What will you do of you? What the ballot? Janira, well, if I had enough money, I might in Paris. We see where to parch. And you, Angie? Angie. If I won the ballot, I would also travel and buy a lot of clothes. Janira, and writing to our reality what are their plans for the weekend. Angie, well, I don't with it a heap time I will visit May include. Janira, or what if Sunny I'll go to the park and go picnicking? Angie, what if Sutina come we call the gutter and house to do something? Marie, you could watch Molly and my coin. Janira, we call me thy house. Mary, how go you to your house? Janira, I saw the Irish with WhatsApp. Angie, I am good to will be excellent with planning. Mary, oh what? Ours? Janira, Saturday 7 p.m. sounds fine to me. Angie, the bus almost leave me. Janira, if you miss the bus, you had to work. Angie, I did very try if I work. Janira, Marie, Garis, I have idea. Janira, de los what is a boot? Marie, good if drink. I fed night went the movie. Angie, it is great. Janira, yes, I hear. Angie, drink a murdering cocktail. Marie, and Joe, about we talk what's our next trip. Angie, I want to travel to Rome. Janira, he's my friend. It looks amazing. Marie, I think it's the best trip. Marie, Janina, and bye back. Talk later.